Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on that device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the power key button to the scanner here, and now I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now I'll make just a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works so fast here. We can unlock the device less than in 1 second, and this is really good result for the fingerprint scanner. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.